Hello everyone. I Divya from RPIT campus. Today going to discuss about pest and pest management. As you all know that India is a land of agriculture. Most of the people have occupation of agriculture and farming. During agriculture, pests are the main disturbing elements. So there is a need of eradicating and managing pests. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the pest and pest management. So let's start with the slides. What actually the pests are? Pests are the organism that causes harmful effects to the crops and humankind. They are the undesirable organisms and insects which causes epidemic diseases. So there is a great need to eradicate them from the farming land. Here are some of the types of pests discussed here, which causes infection in medicinal plants. These are fungi, viruses, insects. Some of the insects are cockroaches, moths, beetles, flies, which affect the medicinal plants. Others are rodents, birds, in which pigeons and crows they harm farms. Some of the other mammals like cats, dogs, snakes, they are also involved in the pest and they are also affecting medicinal plants and resulting in the infection of plants. Here are some of the methods of pest control. It includes mechanical methods, agriculture methods, chemical methods, biological methods, and natural control methods. So let's discuss one by one method. First method is mechanical method. Mechanical method, this is the method in which the pests can be removed with the help of hands. We can pick the insect from the plant and throw it away. Pruning, burning, and trapping of pests can be done in mechanical methods. Second is agriculture method. In this method, crop rotation is mostly done by farmers, in which the crops are rotated one by one so that weeds can be eradicated from the farm. In new era, plant breeding, genetic manipulations, hybrid varieties, they all are resistant to pest attack. So these are the best method to control agriculture pests. Next method is chemical method. In this method, chemicals are used to control the pests, but these methods are not environment safe. They causes environmental pollution and water pollution. Some of the chemical pesticides are insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, and rodenticides. Very common insecticides that you have already heard as DDT and warfarin. These all are used to kill the insects, and warfarin is used to kill rodents present in the agricultural land. The next method is biological control method. In this method, the pests or you can say insects mainly, they are controlled by the pheromone method. A pheromone is a hormone which is secreted by female insect, and this hormone attracts male. In this way, insects can be removed from the farming land. The next method is the natural pest control method, which is very safe and comfortable method used by the farmers. It includes some of the natural pest control agents. These are tobacco, Nux vomica, neem, and citronella. These plants are grown and the extract of this plant is made, by which they are sprayed in the farming land, and it controls the pests. Actually, these plants acts as repellent. Some of the other plants are Curcumula longa. You know it very well. It is haldi. And another is your Chrysanthemum cinereifolia. It is a flower. The extract of these both the plants are made, and it is sprayed on the farming land on the plants so that it can eradicate the pests. Other herbs are Calotropis gigantea and Catharanthus rosea, which is also known as vinca. These plants also remove pests from the farming land. So, dear students, studying about this is an essential part because, as you know, if the pest will be present in the farming land, it will harm plants as well as they will cause diseases to mankind. So, it's better to use pesticides or pest control method which are environment safe. Thank you. Thank you all.